Here's a Hyundai Elantra. Let's go ahead and get started. The light's over there. The way to access it, we have to open up the trunk. And now we need to get the carpet out and get the light out. For that, you will need three tools: a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket ratchet combination, and a hammer. Get the screwdriver and pull the middle part of the clip out like this. And once you do that, you'll be able to just get the entire clip off. Same thing again over here. Repeat the process for all the clips and get them out and keep them somewhere safe. Now 8 nuts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All of them 10mm. So let's go ahead, get the 10mm socket ratchet combination and take all the nuts off one by one. And keep them somewhere safe. Do not lose them. And now we have all the nuts out. 1. Pull the connector off. 2. Over here. Same thing. Press and pull. And the third one over here. Same thing, just press and then pull the connector off. Now get that hammer and then tap on those studs over there. It'll pop right out. Same thing, just tap on it. Now on this side, tap, and the entire light just pops right out. There you go. Grab the light and take it out. And now first thing we'll do is we'll get this wire that's over there out of the hook and around there. Now this lets us easily twist this bulb holder left and take the bulb holder out. Grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb number is 921. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. Now let's go ahead, put the new one back in the bulb holder and push it down to secure it. And when you're putting it back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in and sits in flush like this. At this point, just twist your right to lock it and you're done. Now let's get this wire back under that hook over there. And now let's go ahead and put this light back in the body. Just align it, make sure all the studs are coming through the holes. Let's go ahead, put the electrical connectors back on. Just click them on. They only all go in one way. So once it's in place, just put the nuts back on. Hand tighten down first, and then we'll just tighten it down using the socket ratchet combination. And now make sure the middle part of the clip is pulled out when you're putting it back in. See that? Let's get the cover in place, and what we'll do is we'll put the top side in first, and then we'll just put one clip in the bottom hole over here, right over there. Just get it in there, and once it's inside, press the metal part down to secure it. And now this lets us put all the rest of the clips in piece. The cover's not going to be falling off. Let's just put them all in place, and that's about it. I hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.